today I have an unboxing for you of a Canadian subscription box. This is the Jilly Box. It is $199 Canadian with free shipping, which is fantastic. I absolutely love the branding, the packaging, and everything that the box represents. So this is a beautiful brochure that explains everything in detail that's in the box, where it came from, and the story behind it. So let's get into it and see. It comes wrapped beautifully in tissue paper, has little hearts on it, which is lovely. And when you open it up, inside, it looks like this. So if you watched me unbox the Fabfitfun box, this is what I would equate to the Canadian version of a Fabfitfun box. And I'm super happy for the subscription. You actually have to be invited to be able to have the opportunity to purchase this. Let's start with, okay, one of the items in the box that was actually a you get what you get item is this blue umbrella, and it is really quite beautiful. It opens up to be this beautifully patterned scallop, and it came in a variety of different colors. I was really hoping for pink, of course, but let me see if I can find a picture of what this looks like opened up so that you can see. I'm a little disappointed to have gotten blue, just because it was probably my least favorite color out of all of the choices available. It shouldn't be. I wear a lot of blue actually in my wardrobe. Here's another picture of the umbrella there. And anyways, so it's a nice wooden handle. It's got this gorgeous curve so that it makes it easy to hold. It has a beautiful case, and it has like a branding strip on there for the Jilly Box. Okay, so that is number one. So second in the box, we have this beautiful lip balm. It happens to be one of my favorite things to get in subscription boxes. It's actually a serum more than it is a lip balm. And this is what it looks like here. The brand is Aurora, and it is Skin Science. The container is just small and lovely. I could put some on my lips actually. I have a little bit of lip balm on. My daughter is sitting here right across from me looking expectantly at my lip serum, asking probably to try it as well, although she has some lip product on already. So that's the brand there. And there's another skincare product in the box. This is a night cream, and it has really cool packaging. I've seen it's going to come out, so there's no messy fingers, no opening lids and putting them back on. It's just safely protected inside, and a little nice pump. And that had a $80 value. The umbrella had a $48 value. The lip balm had a $25 value. And next we can go to the home item in the box, Coupe Bisou, whatever that means. Have you ever heard that word before? I have not, but it looks like a beautiful dish, and I will show you what they look like in the package. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So they're meant to be like a little dessert bowl, and there's a set of two, which would be amazing to have a little ice cream in the bowl. They look like this. I could see it being put out as a little candy dish, or put in my craft room to hold all my special trinkets and stuff. I really like these. They're very, very pretty. They feel very nice. So $35. And everything in this box is supposed to be Parisian themed, so essence of Paris, and definitely has a fun but elegant vibe to everything in the box so far. Here we have a wallet, and I'm not going to take it out of its packaging just because I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it yet or not, and we could leave it brand new. But it is a Matt and Nat wallet, and it looks like this. My daughter is eyeing it up. Would you like this wallet? Should I open it up? Don't you have a wallet? I gave you a Roots wallet. Okay, only one? How many wallets does a girl need? 3? Okay, so the Matt and Nat wallet is a $120 Canadian value. So that's what it looks like there. And it opens up and it's got beautiful card pockets on the inside. It's like, I guess I'll open it and show you just to see. Sounds like my daughter may be taking it over anyway. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually do have a use for this. I am getting something else, another purse that I think this would fit perfectly into. So this is a lovely quality item. And this lining is made of 100% recycled plastic. And we recycle on average over 9 million bottles per year. Isn't that a nice little note inside? So the Matt and Nat wallet, and that is what it looks like there. Okay, and then last, oh no, not last, second last, we have a jewelry item. So here we have a $65 value. And if you wanted to open it up and see what's inside, it's called Origin Jewelry, and it's a pair of beautiful pearl earrings, proudly Canadian, BIPOC owned, and it has a website for them and jewelry care instructions on the back. So cute little card that comes in it, beautiful packaging. I do really like that packaging, that lovely presentation. Now last but not least, and probably the almost maybe hero item in the box for me, not the most valuable item in the box, but I really love getting textiles, and this is the Smash and Tess sweater that a value of $48, and it was also a get what you get. It could have come in blue or red. I was happy with either. I didn't really have a preference. Oh wow, it is so soft. Wow, that is soft. It is really very pretty, and you can't tell right now, but it has beautiful gold buttons on it. So this is what it looks like on. I got the size medium large, and it actually looks like it will be a perfect fit. I actually think it looks like it will really look quite nice on me. It will be great for Valentine's Day, for Christmas. Like, it's a really pretty sweater. And I want to show you the way that Jillian styled her sweater was with this skirt. It's like a pretty tulle skirt, and it was something that she actually had in the add-ons available for purchase for $100. So I was on Poshmark and I found this tulle skirt being auctioned off at a fraction of the price. So it was $100 to buy the one in the add-ons. I actually considered it, and then I didn't add it on. I found this for, it might have been $7, and then you have to pay $12 shipping. So it cost me, I think, about $25 in the end to get this skirt. But I was thinking it would probably pair better with the blue, but we'll have to try it together and see. I didn't know what I was getting at the time that I ordered it. I just thought, what a rare opportunity to actually get a tulle skirt like this. I haven't seen one before. So I thought that would be worth picking up and see if we can style those together. So that is everything in my Jilly Box. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So 7. 7 items in total. I really feel like the value is here. Everything feels like excellent quality. Everything is very Canadian supporting and women supporting companies. So I love the fact that this is a box in Canada that I can purchase and support Canadian businesses and get excellent quality products and discover new things. Like, I was actually thinking I could use a night cream. It's something that I currently do not have as part of my skincare regimen, but was something that I was thinking would be a good value. So now I get to try this out. Happy for the lip balm. The umbrella coming in blue is a lovely option. Really, it will make it so that it is more usable for everyone in the house. Like, it wouldn't be something that if I got pink, you know, maybe my son or husband wouldn't want it. Although it's pretty girly still, even with that scallopy design and this pretty handle. But anyways, it's something that will match what I wear, like it's even matching what I wear today. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I will be getting my Fabfitfun box in, and this is the spring 2026 Jilly Box. I'm going to do a comparison of the two so you can see how they stack up head to head in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already and watch for that video to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.